More than anything else, I hate wasting time. I need to either be working or relaxing. And in between those two states, there is one where I get tired, but I still don't get anything useful done. And the most common example of that is waiting for someone or for something. So when I get on the bus, I don't get what 90% of the people in this vehicle are doing with their lives. They are just sitting there with dull faces, and they're like, I'm on the bus and I'm ready to stay here and stare into the abyss for the entire trip. What I think is wrong with these people is that they don't understand the simplest math. So for example, if you're a game developer, you could use this time to listen to game dev talks. And let's assume that going to work takes you 10 minutes. So that's 20 minutes per day, because you have to go there and back. 30 minutes per day is already enough to listen to a 30-minute long game dev conference talk at a 150% speed, which is what I recommend. Or you could watch shorter videos. For example, Game Maker's Toolkit or Extra Credits make awesome content. Their videos are usually 10 minutes long, so you can watch one on your way there and one on your way back. Obviously, getting to school or work usually takes much more time. You also have to go on foot to get to the bus station, for example. But for the sake of our video, let's assume that you spend 20 minutes a day on the road. Without weekends, 20 minutes per day is 100 minutes per week, and that is 86 hours per year. 86 hours per year is 172 GDC talks. Unfortunately, many people say something like, yeah, there's this cool video that everyone's recommending me to watch and it will probably make me a much better game developer, but it's 40 minutes long, I don't have so much time. Guys, now we know the answer. You have all the time in the world. Thanks to not wasting my time on the road, I've managed to watch hundreds of game dev talks during my years at college and university. And if you don't know where to start, I've assembled a YouTube playlist of my favorite talks and other useful game dev videos. I would highly recommend you to watch at least some of them. The link to this playlist is going to be down in the description to this video. There are many different videos on this playlist. Some of them come from people that are so motivated that just by watching them you immediately want to jump right into work. And others are from the professionals in the industry who made masterpieces, and getting to know what was in their head when they were working on them is just an opportunity you can't miss. And there are also many shorter videos with a lot of content packed into them. So if you want to listen to talks while using your phone and earbuds, and especially if your phone is as old as mine and you don't even use internet on it, then I want to recommend you two useful programs. Both of them are free, and as I've already stated, they will work even on this phone. The first one is VLC. It allows you to speed up your video as well as turn it into audio so that you can listen to it while your screen is blocked. The second one is for your computer. It is called 4K Video Downloader and it allows you to easily download videos from YouTube so that you can later upload them to your phone. Sorry fellow YouTube developers for screwing your stats, but I really don't use internet and I don't like ads. I'm pretty sure that this will absolutely kill my eyes, but for some reason I just prefer reading on the road, so use my Kindle Paperwhite 4. If at some point of your life you decide to buy an ebook like that for yourself, please use the paid link in the description to this video. I also used to listen to audiobooks, podcasts and interviews, in particular ones with Edmund Macmillan, my favorite creator of all times. Whether you choose something from my list or come up with something on your own, please just stop wasting your time on the road. Don't be that stupid guy from the bus. And whatever you choose to listen to, please make sure to be careful while crossing the road. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Farewell.